Hello guys, quick video log of an abandoned ruin of a church just outside of Croxton in Norfolk. You can see the tombstones here of people that are buried here. I'm not going to film too much out of respect, but this I forget the name of it, but I will update it on my YouTube later. Just bearing in mind that I haven't got a stabiliser for my camera yet still, so the footage won't be as still as it should be. We've had some bad weather lately as well, and there's lots of fallen trees, especially inside the actual church itself. Got all graves put down here as well. Anyway, that's one of the windows where a lot of people climb through, but just to let those of you know, you do not need to walk through it at all, or climb through it, as there is a purpose-made path here, which leads all the way around it. More of the graves here as well. There's the main entrance of the church. It used to be, this church when it first got damaged was abandoned, and they erected a new church down the road of here. But you can still see the graves here. You even got this in the ground here. A metal like spear thing there. And we'll see another one now which signifies another one. And we also have a tomb just over by there. And the tree, you can't really see it because there's a tree falling down on it. But here's the church. Still got the tower there. Anyway, we'll have a little wander in. If anybody has any recommendations on a stabiliser, even if it's only a cheap thing, and next to a microphone, again cheap, doesn't matter, please let me know. As any improvement to my video logs are greatly appreciated. Vandals have been in. There's always a bit of a hole here in this stairwell, but it's been made a lot wider now. There's a stairwell going up. Not going to attempt it because it's quite claustrophobic and thin. You see the fallen trees here, and bits of the church which obviously collapsed in over time. The crypts themselves. I'm not sure if the actual crypt is still under these or not, or whether it's been relocated. There's another one here with a crest on it. Can't really see the writing because it's all covered up. There's the crest. Window which would have once held stained glass window. And we have still got artefacts on the walls. You can see where there would have been bits coming out the walls here. More foundations. Good old flint until it starts breaking away, and then you've got to repair it. Another window here which has had wire put there. And I say I'm not going to attempt the stairs today as I haven't got enough light, but I hope you've enjoyed the video anyway. Just turn it around very quickly. Hi guys, as I said, this church, there was another church built down the road. I can't remember what this one was called now, but I'll put the link in the description anyway. But this church, when it first got damaged, they built another one just down the road, which we're going to go to soon, and I'll include pictures of it and stills in there. But this is a nice church. So as I say, if you do come here, don't climb through the window. Walk around here. There's a path made here, and you can go in that way. Look a bit different now, so the hair's been done as well, so don't feel like a walking mushroom, so to speak. And on my last vlog, I wasn't paying attention and cracked the curb and knocked my tooth out. Well, piece up my tooth there. But yeah, anyway, that's the church, not its glory. We're nearly 6 minutes into this video. I don't have much storage on this Canon, on this SD. Unfortunately, it only stores one SD card, so I shall see you guys in the next part of this video. Thank you for viewing.